Hi there, students. Animosity. Okay, animosity is a noun. It means strong dislike for something. When you strongly oppose something, yeah? When you are angry. So there is a lot of animosity between these two people. Yeah, they really don't like each other at all. Okay, he doesn't, there's no bad blood between them. Yeah, animosity, anger, hostility, friction and antagonism, enmity. Okay, so strong hostility. Um, he felt a great deal of animosity towards his attacker. Yeah, it's a strong feeling of dislike, of anger. Yeah, there's a long history of animosity between these two companies. Yeah, they really don't like each other. I can see a lot of animosity between the Prime Minister and the leader of the opposition. Bitter hostility, yeah, active hatred, hostile feelings. Okay, so animosity, hostility, hatred, resentment, bitterness. Yeah, I can sense a lot of hostility between the two parties negotiating this peace treaty. Yeah, there's a lot of rancor, a lot of bad blood. Yeah, they don't like each other at all. Yeah, the two rivals looked at each other with great animosity. Yeah, strong dislike, strong hatred for somebody or something. Yeah, so if you feel animosity to something, you oppose it actively, you energetically dislike it. Okay, so it's not just passive, I dislike this. You do everything you can to stop it, you're active about it. Okay, so animosity is doing things and showing things that show that you are really against this. There was a lot of animosity between my neighbor and myself. Okay, there was a lot of bad blood, a lot of uh, opposition, and we really don't like each other. We take every opportunity to show each other that we don't like each other, and this is the idea of animosity, a very strong, bitter feeling. Yeah. So, animosity, formality. I think I would probably give it a 6.5, 6. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but you might say something like bitterness or hatred or hostility or something like that. And then as to origin, well, there's an old French word animosité, meaning animosity, from late Latin animositas, meaning courage or spirit or vehemence, yeah, which comes from animosus, from animus, meaning courage or spirit or mind. Okay, so yeah, if there is animosity between two groups, there is open hostility. Yeah, they would take any chance to fight with each other. There was clearly a lot of animosity between the two dogs, and we had to hold them apart, or very clearly there was going to be a rather nasty fight between them. Okay, notice most normally animosity is an uncountable noun, but you could use it countably and animosity, but I think that's much more unusual. Okay, so animosity, extreme active dislike, extreme opposition, active enmity to something, yeah, energetic dislike of. Okay, so there's extreme animosity between these two groups. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Animosity.